How to recover your Gmail without verification code on PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can use our PC in order to recover our Gmail account without using any kind of verification code. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. So in order to do that, you need to open up a new browser and search for Google Account Recovery. Just search for it. After that, tap on the very first link that shows up to your screen. You can see this how to recover your Google account or Gmail here. Just tap on that and wait for it to be loaded. After that, choose the reason why you can't sign in into your Google account. Just tap on you forgot your password and tap on next. After that, you need to enter your email, and if you are logged in into any other device except for that, you may just tap on yes it's me and you will be directly redirected into your PC using your Gmail. But except for that, if you can't recover your account using another device, you may just go to support.google.com and wait for the website to be opened. After that, here type in your problem. So here describe your issue. You just need to type in your issue here. Just type how to recover your Google account. Just tap on that, and here you will be able to see a bunch of options here, but I want you to switch to community first, and here scroll down until you see post a question. Just tap on post a question. After that, give your issue summary of your issue and your problems. You may just add a photo as well if you want. After that, people will or the Google customer service will reach out for you to help you recover your account without using any kind of verification code. So therefore, by following this method, you can use your PC in order to recover your Gmail without any verification code. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.